Hello dear subscribers, they will show to you so how to send data between two old iPad from iPhone. So for doing that you can also just use AirDrop. So let's just choose AirDrop. So for now your iPhone will check for devices supporting AirDrop. So let's just check that. Hope that we will see our iPad here. So let's just check for that. So here you can see that. So now just tap on it, and here you can also see image, or you can just tap on accept, and after you'll get this image. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.